Hi everybody, welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to access Netflix on smart TV with QR code. So this is going to be 2024. So what you need to do is, as you can see, we need to be first simply opening Netflix onto our you can say like your smart TV, and when prompted on your TV, select update Netflix household. Make sure that that is updated if you are facing any type of connectivity issue, and then you're going to be making sure that you are connected on the same Wi-Fi on your phone and on your TV as well. Apparently, once you do that and QR code will appear onto Netflix, you are going to be heading over to your get code, generate a QR code on your TV, open your camera on your mobile device and point it at the TV. On the QR code will be automatically read by your phone and connected. So it is quite simple. No rocket science. You can see it is now connected. Apparently you should be as well. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you find this video informative. Stay tuned for more. See you guys in the next video.